Alright, let's be honest for a second. When most people think about school, they picture rows of desks, timed tests, long lectures, and a bell that tells you when you're allowed to pee. But here's the thing, this system? It's old. Like, 1800s old. Designed during the Industrial Revolution to train factory workers, not creative thinkers. And now? In 2025, the world has changed completely. We've got AI tutors, 3D printed organs, people working from beaches, and entire careers built on YouTube and TikTok. But we're still sending kids into buildings that look and feel like they were designed in 1955. So here's the big question. Is the school system about to get replaced? Not tweaked. Not rebranded. Fully reinvented. Let's break it down. What's broken, what's changing, and what might be coming next for education. First, why the current system is cracking. Let's talk pressure. Students today are overwhelmed, academically, emotionally, socially. Anxiety and burnout are rising fast. Suicide rates in teens? Alarming. The pressure to get perfect grades, crush standardized tests, build college resumes, it's crushing people. And for what? To memorize facts you forget in 2 weeks? To learn how to pass a test instead of how to solve a real problem. Here's a harsh truth. The system rewards compliance, not creativity. Speed, not understanding. Grades, not growth. That's not preparing us for the real world. And employers know it. More and more companies, Google, IBM, Tesla, aren't even requiring college degrees anymore. Why? Because the diploma isn't proof you can do the job. It's just proof you survived the system. And that system? It's starting to crack. So what's pushing the change? Let's talk trends. 1. Tech is exploding. We're not just using apps in class anymore. We've got full-on AI tutors that adjust to your pace, your level, your style. Platforms like Khan Academy, Synthesis, and even ChatGPT are offering personalized learning that a classroom of 30 kids simply can't match. In the future, your teacher might be a virtual mentor that knows your strengths better than you do. 2. Homeschooling and unschooling are rising post-COVID. A lot of families realized, hey, maybe we don't need to send our kid to a school building for 8 hours. Homeschooling numbers have doubled. Not just for religious reasons anymore, but because parents want flexibility, customization, and sanity. There's also unschooling, where kids learn by following their curiosity, not a curriculum. Sounds chaotic, but it's producing some seriously creative thinkers. 3. Skills over degrees. People want skills, period. Can you code? Can you write? Can you manage people, think critically, solve weird problems? That's what the future workforce needs, not whether you aced algebra in 10th grade. Boot camps, micro courses, certification programs, they're all rising fast because they focus on real results, not abstract theory. Okay, so what might replace school? Let's fast forward a few decades. What could education actually look like? 1. Modular learning hubs instead of giant schools. Imagine local learning centers where students drop in to take only what they need. 1 week it's robotics. Next week it's filmmaking. Then a module on mental health or global politics. It's mix and match education, like Netflix for learning. 2. Mentorship networks. In the future, your main teacher might be someone outside the system. Professionals, artists, entrepreneurs, people mentoring students directly in their field. Imagine learning architecture from an architect. Music from a composer. Marketing from someone running a brand, not a textbook. 3. Global classrooms. You're not just learning with kids from your city. You're on a call with students from Japan, Kenya, Brazil, solving global problems in real time. Language translation is built in. Collaboration is expected. Geography doesn't limit your education anymore. 4. AI personalized learning paths. Your learning adapts to you. Struggling in math? Your AI tutor slows down, gives you new tools, encourages different strategies. Flying through history? You skip the basics and jump into deep debates and simulations. No more one size fits all. Every kid learns differently. Finally, the system does too. 5. Emotional intelligence and mental health education. The future won't ignore emotional wellness. Students will learn how to manage anxiety, set boundaries, build resilience, and communicate like decent humans. Because emotional intelligence isn't soft. It's survival. But, what about socialization? This is the question people always ask. If we ditch schools, how will kids make friends? The truth is, schools aren't the only place to build social skills. And often, they're not even the best place. Clubs, sports, co-learning spaces, digital communities, these are all rising fast. Plus, in a future where school is more flexible, kids might actually have more time for real connection, not less. Imagine learning life skills, empathy, and teamwork from actual life, not just a group project you get stuck doing alone. What about teachers? Will they be replaced? Nope. But their roles will shift. In the future, great teachers won't be info dispensers. That job belongs to tech. They'll be mentors, guides, facilitators of curiosity. Helping kids think, not just memorize. The relationship will matter more than the lesson plan. And the best teachers will be the ones who make learning feel like a conversation, not a command. What are the risks? Of course, we can't just throw out the old system without thinking. If we go too tech-heavy, we lose human connection. If we make education all modular, we risk losing foundational skills. And if access isn't equal, if only rich kids get personalized tutors and AI labs, then the gap gets worse, not better. So yeah, the future of education has to be smart. But it also has to be fair. This isn't just a tech update. It's a moral one. So, is the school system about to be replaced? Not overnight. But the shift has already started. And in 10, 20, 50 years? The idea of a giant building with bells and hall passes might feel as outdated as dial-up internet. The next generation won't ask, "What school did you go to?" They'll ask, "What did you build? What did you explore? How did you grow?" That's the future. And it's coming fast. So now I want to hear from you. Would you want a personalized learning system that adapts to you? Or do you think the classic school system still has something to offer? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk. And hey, if this video gave you something to think about, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Because we're not done exploring the future yet. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and never stop learning.